Welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, I'll show you how to make these fun jute rugs for your dollhouse using things from the dollar store. You will need jute and an adhesive cork sheet. If you are unable to find these items, sticky backed felt and hemp cord would work as well. We picked these up at Hobby Lobby. To get the printables for this project, visit our blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link will be in the description box below. This is the design we will show you how to make, but we include patterns for all of these designs. These are all made using the same techniques. Cut out your pattern and draw around it on the back side of the cork sheet. Cut the pattern again and draw around that line. Continue to cut each level of the pattern and draw them on until you have the whole pattern down on the back of the cork sheet. Cut off the extra cork sheet to make it easier to handle. Lightly cut through the white backing of the first circle and pull it off. Make sure to mark the center point. Take your jute and starting in the center, make a small circle. Continue to wrap around it until you reach the edge. Next, you will cut out one of the small circles. Start in the center again. Make another small circle and continue to wrap around it till you fill it in. You can use hot glue to hold down the ends. Fill in all of the small circles. Cut out the border. Starting at one of the small circles, wrap around until it's completely filled in. Cut off the extra cork sheet around the edge. Using a knife and cutting board, cut out the spaces between the little circles. For the small rug with the circles, you will want to start with the outside circles first and do the inside circles last. For the small oval rug, start on the middle line and go around until you are done. I also put jute around the edge using hot glue. For the rug with the circles around the outside, I made a zigzag pattern with 2 cords at a time. We hope you'll enjoy making rugs for your dollhouse. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun crafting.